Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to practice trading Forex right on TradingView but weren't quite sure how to figure out your position size, or maybe you just want a safe, free tool to calculate lot sizes, this tutorial is exactly for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a paper trading account on TradingView, choose your lot size with confidence, and actually place a simulated order just like you would on a real platform. You'll leave here ready to practice smarter and build up those trading skills risk-free. Alright, let's get started. First, open up TradingView and look for the trading panel along the bottom of the screen. This panel is where all the real action happens, and even if you haven't used it before, don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Click on the Trading Panel tab and from all the options, select Paper Trading. Paper trading is a fantastic feature because it lets you test strategies and manage pretend money in real markets. This way, if you make a mistake, it costs you nothing but a lesson learned. So you'll now see some account details pop up. In the paper trading panel, find your account name. If this is your first time, it'll just say paper trading. Now comes a crucial step. Click Create Account. This may sound formal, but it just means you're setting up a sandboxed balance to play with. In the dialog, type something like Forex in the account name. Giving your account a clear name is super helpful, especially if you decide to try stocks or crypto practice later on. It keeps everything organized. Next up, it's time to set your balance. This is how much simulated money you'll be working with, so think about what would feel realistic for you, whether that's $1,000, $10,000, or more. Just type in the amount in the balance field, then right below you'll see a spot to set your Forex leverage. Leverage lets you control more funds than you actually have, which is both a powerful tool and a risk if misunderstood. For example, setting 1-10 leverage means you can trade positions 10 times bigger than your balance. If you're new, start conservatively. Remember, it's better to learn with less risk, even with play money. Once those fields are set, click Create. Good job, now you've got a dedicated Forex paper trading account perfectly customized for the practice you want. Let's move on to placing a trade. Look at the chart of the Forex pair you're interested in, maybe EUR/USD for example. If you think the price will go up and want to simulate a buy, grab the long position tool from the toolbar. That's that little icon with a green upward arrow. Click once on your chosen price level to drop the starter template. This visual aid shows you exactly where your entry, stop loss, and take profit levels will be, here where the magic happens. Right-click on the newly placed long position box and look for the option to adjust or set your lot size. This lot size is crucial because it determines how much currency you're actually trading. Too big and your balance might be wiped out on a bad move. Too small and your gains or losses will be tiny. Enter the amount you want, and TradingView's calculator will automatically show how this impacts your risk and reward. Don't worry if the numbers look daunting at first. Play around, try different lot sizes, and notice how your stop loss and take profit change accordingly. Press OK when you're happy with your settings. Remember, you can always drag the entry line, stop loss, or take profit positions right on the chart. Just click and move them until you're comfortable. Take your time with this part. Finding the right risk-to-reward ratio is what separates the professionals from the guessers. Once everything looks right, you're ready for the finale. Click to create a limit order. Usually, you'll find this by right-clicking your position box or clicking Buy on the panel. Double-check your details and hit Send Order. That's it. You've just placed a professional-style trade with a properly measured lot size, all without risking a cent. And there you go, TradingView's paper trading tools make calculating your Forex lot size straightforward and safe to practice. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below if you have any questions or want more tutorials, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Happy practicing and see you in the next one.